Print is one of the important fundamentals in programming. Every programming language ay may own version on how to print the output to our screen. Print in Python is an inbuilt function that is used to print the output to our console. Ito ang full syntax ni print function. At first glance, medyo intimidating, pero we will go through it one at a time. So basically, si value 1, value 2, set, and file at flush ay mga parameters. So si parameters ay mga values na pinapasa natin sa function. In this case, kay print. So pag titignan nyo yung syntax, yung mga naka-highlight na yellow indicates na optional parameter lang siya. So kahit na hindi natin gamitin, ayos lang. For this lesson though, we will only go through values, set, and end. So values 1 and values 2 are things you want to see in your computer. So dito mo siya ilalagay. It can be more than one value. Next is set or separator. It is used to define on how you want the values to be separated. By default, white space ang value niya. And finally, end is used to specify kung anong gusto mong ilagay sa end ng output mo. Ang default niya ay end or new line. So how do we use print? Let's start using print without optional parameters. Pwede natin gamitin si print with values lang. For example, print hello world. This is a print statement with one value only. Let's try with more than one value. For example, meron tayong variable name which is snap. Let's print it with a hi. So if we observe, meron tayong dalawang values which are string hi and variable name which is not. Marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin with print. Pwede tayong mag-print ng strings with concatenation like print hello plus world or mag-print ng string along with integers like print welcome, 2020 or mag-add ng numbers within sa print. So print 34 plus 64. So this is just a few ways we utilize print in Python. So next is print with separators. We can use sept to partition yung mga values or objects natin. For example, meron tayong tatlong variable. A is equal to Ace, B is equal to Bonnie, and C is equal to Charlie. Let's say we want to print it in one print statement. So ang gagawin natin, print A, B, C, then we will put sep as parameter with value comma. So as we can see, separated na yung mga values ng comma instead of spaces, which is yung default. Finally, we can also use end parameters. So yung end parameters naman ay magprint siya ng value at the end of the output. So ang default na value ng end ay n, which means next line. For example, meron tayong dalawang print statement. Print hi, print welcome. By default, bababa ng isang line si welcome kasi naka-new line sa print hi. Let's try using a different value for end. So let's try print hi, then we will put parameter end with value triple asterisk, followed by a print welcome. So as we can see, by the end of a hi, meron tayong value na triple asterisk. So this is just another few ways on how we utilize print in Python. This is print function in Python.